Sorkar Pdeng, Lyer ai jingmut ya Sorkar Meghalaya banwat kilat kilenti kumnu ban pendon kamno na kibor kiban yaine bet ban penmi Bording ramshu ban shania bet tang haka henry ban persang leng baka bor Sngi ne solar na Lyer badru na udawyong kumshi benta ban penklan kilat ban penmi Bording ka Sorkar Pdeng leng baka tanat Ministry of Power kralum ka jingelang joka National Conference of Power and Renewable Energy kabla long ladu henry hadu nyau tarik nai wing ha Bharat Mandapam New Delhi. Habakran sekilat pakai kubor Menteri Ketanat Bording ke Meghalaya U80 Mandal ulayat hu bahag ini kisngi kelas sedang kiu ke jingdawa pendan kam Bording hapo ke Jylla bad ulapan sengau ru ya kane haka National Conference.
Because you see many countries they are having the rooftop power plants, something like that, solar power. And we should also encourage our people to go ahead because it contributes immensely. Countries like Germany, countries like Australia and all these things, they have achieved in a very big way. And in our states also, now solar energy is available in 3 rupees, 2 rupees 50 paisa. But these are basically located in Gujarat and Rajasthan, those areas. We have our own problem also. We will encourage them. We ask that we have already launched Chief Minister's Solar Mission, that why not subsidy can be provided by the Union government into this sector also. So these all issues we will again take to Delhi. If we get something, it is good because then our burden also will reduce, we can cover more. So that way we are thinking these are the issues that has been discussed in the conference, including the mobility or encouragement for charging station for electric vehicles. All relevant issues have been discussed.